is what we do. No guidebooks here, just do it bold. Legends are made in grease and gold. It's more than cars, it's heart and soul, creating drive that takes control. Let's break the mold, stretch the land, chasing the thrill with tools in hand. Welcome to Redskin Garage today, where the sparks fly and tools play. With every twist, turn and grind, you'll find a dreamer's state of mind.
Okay, YouTube. Let's see here. No, it don't look great, but it's functional. I really gotta fix that leak in the roof. It's getting pretty bad. But, I got some things shuffled around. So now I can get to my guitar and play him. Back on foot. Still hurts, man. That's crazy, huh? Yeah. It's still getting better. Let's see here. Couple more things to do. Really gotta take some time to clean the house up. It's getting pretty bad. These don't belong here. Put them away. Put them where they go. This goes somewhere. This goes in the same spot. This goes in the same spot. Batteries. I got money over here. They don't belong here. Medications over here. Don't belong here. Let's see. Batteries and SD cards. Put them together because they both go with the camera. And I got a remote that don't belong here. I think it belongs up here with others. Okay. Get money. Alright. Oh. I'm telling you. Money don't belong there neither. But, oh, man, my foot hurts. Yeah, I'm telling you, my foot hurts. Bread ties with bread ties. And then this clip goes over there. Let's see, and this goes up here. Because there's 4 of them. Okay. Medications. They belong in the bathroom. Ugh. Cold out there. No, out there. It's cold in here. Yeah. Let me see here. We better stay in one section and figure it out. Snack time. I roll him up, put him right there. Let's see. Here's another controller. Don't belong here. Xbox. Got shoes in the way. Lighters. 1 lighter and 2 lighters. Yes. Put him up here. What's this? Mail? Yes. This one. Put him right here, fellas. I might give him a call when I need some woods. Yes. Let's see. Another red tie. Snack, chip, clip, batteries, chargers, AirPods, electronics, safety equipment, personal safety equipment. Cat needs food. Give the cat some food. You know how we got none. That's all you got. Oh, I got some more over here. Here's a new bag. Open him up. Look out, Slinky. Mr. Friskies. You like that, huh? Something different. You know something different. Here's a clip. Clip him up. There we go. Yeah, good thing. Yeah. Hey, good fingers. And I'll tell him. Plug him in. Alright. Snack time. Stick him over here somewhere. Can't eat them crunchy Cheetos, man. Too crunchy. Yep, let's go back to my other little area over there. I'm a little limp foot, man. That sucks. Tired of limping. Let's see. Let's undo these again. You got to sometimes. Every now and then. Come through here and undo your wires. 1 wire. Wedge him in there. Let's see. 2 wire. Undo him. Wedge him in there too. Okay. Let's see. Plug him back in. Doink. Alright. Plug Take this guy and wrap him up. Stick him in over there. Let's see here. This guy, I can fold him up. Oh, that's what I have my wire tie over here for. But anyway. Oh, let me see. Hey, I'm getting here in just a second. See this wire. This guy, he's getting ready to put away. This wire, another charger. Stick him in on crack too. Yeah, much cleaner. Kinda sorta. It's a mess up there, but nobody sits there. Okay, now. Next. Bluetooth headset. These are some great headsets, man. I love them. Haven't done no cleanup in a while, man. Yep. Let me see here. Next. Controller. Wrap him up. And this guy, again. Let's see. You can go here. This one. And this wire tie back. So it's on him. So you can see just with that little pile over there. Oh, hold on, put him in there. Just with that little pile of stuff over there. I was able to take it where it belongs, right? Every single piece. Every single piece. I took it where it belongs. When you find a wire tie, put the wire ties where they belong. That way, you'll have a whole section of wire ties. You don't have to put them in the container. Yet. All you have to do is just bring them over here and put them where they go. See how they're all piled in here? Put them where they go. Then when you come back around, when you see how I've been staying in one spot, you stay focused on one spot, you put everything where it goes in a pile. And then, when you come back to it, then you can organize and get everything else out here. Like when I hit this spot, I'll come through and go through all this crap, and I'll put everything where it goes. If it belongs here, if it don't belong here, then I'll pick it up and take it where it belongs and put it in a pile. Look. See, when you come across here, then take your stuff where it goes. You know what I mean? Oh. Yep. Stick them up here for now. Blankets galore. Yeah. Okay, so continuing on. Stay focused. Gotta go where we gotta go. Not everybody needs to see that. But anyways. Yep. Get them all organized. Let's see here. Mouse. I ain't used a computer in a while. I was flying RC helicopters on it. Something, you know. Don't use it for a while, put it up. Put it away. And try them again another day. Here. There's that. I can unplug everything. Alright. You got this. I really need a new laptop. That won't. It just won't. It will not edit my videos. There's no way. My phone will probably do better, honestly. They got just about the same amount of available RAM on the running, so. Yep, this old laptop. I need a new one. Start a GoFundMe. Give me some laptop money. I was looking at an Alienware, and it was like 3 or 4, and then it went up to 5. And now that sucker's $8,000. Man, daggone it. Really should've got one. Let's see. Bring a laptop on over. And now be that cleaned up. Ta-da! Alright. Get my music chair back, I reckon. So, I really don't have much to play with over here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the laptop away. But, a couple of things. Spectacles. Let's see here. Temporary. No lenses. Lenses. Yeah, to put the computer away. I've been piling up scrap on here, so I gotta put all this stuff away. There's a flashlight. Let's see. Flashlight away. The lenses. Put my lenses away. Just temporary. I'll come back to him. Let's see. Tape measure. Had this working down there. I need to go back in the garage. Anyway. That kills me. That's the ceiling. It is getting worse. Let's see here. What else we got here? It's portable GoPro stuff. Okay, now. Got a pin, some bolts. I don't remember what the bolts go to. Oh, we got a wire tie. Yep, okie dokie. Put the pin back where he goes. I got some bolts and, yep, hardware goes in that box there. This is going to the garage. Put the pin back where the pin goes. GoPro stuff. Bada bing, bada boom. Stick him in here. Alright, here we go. There's all my memory cards and stuff. Alright. Toothpicks. Got a micro SD card. It works, man. It works. It's been too long. Going away. Let's see. Sheets card. Ding, ding, ding. Alright. About all I can do for that. electronics, cigarette lighters, snack time, yep. Okie dokie, looks pretty good to me. Yep, about how I want it there. Alright, next. I'm still recording, cool. Not very much. But, we're doing it. Alright, bread tie. Here's another bread tie. Here's a bread string. Stretchy string. Bread tie, stick me in there. Bada bing, bada bing. Huh. Stick me right there. Let's see here. And, just a couple more things here. Huh. Needs to go to the garage. Alright, move these off the table. A big sack of nuts. Yes, might as well make them. Stick them in there. Alright, let's see here. Let me see here. This got tobacco all over it, so dust him off. Take all the dust out of him. Yep. Bring him on over here. Fill him back up. Put the computer back in here. Alright. Put you in there. Mouse go in last. Let's see. Put this going, put him in here. Yep. Put him in there. Take your time. What are we doing? What are we doing? Alright, now. Something. Put him right here. There we go. Yeah, that worked. Just stick that one out too. Let's see. You already got zippers on it. Come on. Zip them on it. So you can put him where it belongs. With the other wrap top. Camera stuff. Electronics. This guy. Electronics. Alright. Next. Oh. My goodness. Heat blanket. She told me not to put this away. I'm putting it away. It goes where it goes, man. Goes with the heat blanket. There we go. Just put it away. No more than that. Should be right there next time I need a heat blanket. Okay, what else? This was something. Yeah, well, it can just stay there. That's not bad. Oh, yeah, that's right. Get my binoculars. We was gonna go to the zoo, but I don't look like we're going now. Anyways, I also thought we was going camping. We ain't doing that neither. So I put the camping stuff away. How did I have this? Yep, let's see. One hanging here. Another one hangs there. Yeah, that's like that. Okay. Yeah, send more power to them. For roads. Alright. So there you go. You can see it just that quick. Run around. And everything goes back where it's supposed to go. Lenses department. Even though I'm gonna need them tomorrow, but yeah. Yeah, see, I have a little clips over here, so that's where to go. This jacket right here is full of cigarette lighters. Almost about 20 of them since I bought them things. Let's see here. Another pocket. Yep, there's one in there too. Uh-huh. Go ahead and get them. I lost a white one somewhere. And a black one. And a blue one. And a red one. Yep. I don't know where they went to. Somewhere around here. Might be in the jackets right there. Handkerchief. Alright, I think that's about it then. Let me think about it. Let's see here. It's really about all I want to do right now here anyway. I got so much other crap to do, man. That's just a bummer. I hate that. That's irritating. Worse. Just pile through them eventually. You don't have to fix it. Let me think about it for a second here. Yeah, I still gotta watch movies, man. I mean, she got that cable and internet, and it was all over for it. We almost had them all watched. Yep. But we still watching some of them. We got a couple more to go. Yeah. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, like 50 movies left, man. 50 more hours. We can do it. About half the length of the Kingdom Hearts video game. Yeah. And then that'll be out of the way. I can't wait. Man, yep, nobody wants them. Going in the trash. No, I don't need them. I'll take them to Goodwill or something. I don't think they take those anymore either. whatever. But I'm gonna organize them and stuff before I get rid of them. Look though, you walk right over here, grab what I need. Start a little tune. Yep, I just walk over and pick them right up. No problems. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll talk to you chrome domes on the next one. I'm gonna get out here and mow some grass or something. I still gotta... Yep, I weeded around the rest of that crap down there. Now I gotta, what you call it? Stack them lumbers up. And then I can dig my hoe out. Yeah. I put a damper on all that. That sucks, man, but we're getting there. I'm getting there. Alright, I'm out of here.
Redskin Garage! Under flickering lights, the engines roar. Dreams are built right here on the floor. Oil-stained hands, a timeless mirage. Life revs up at Redskin Garage.